Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift an Infiniti Q50. First, familiarize yourself with your car's rear-wheel drive dynamics. This is crucial for maintaining control. Next, find a safe, expansive area, such as a dedicated track or a large, empty private lot, to practice without hazards. Always check your tire condition, ensuring they have good tread and are inflated to the correct pressure for safety and performance. This foundational preparation is key to a successful and controlled drift. Before initiating a drift, it's essential to properly set up your Infiniti Q50. Completely disable both traction control and stability control systems. These will interfere with your ability to slide the car. Select a lower gear, usually second or third, to give you better control over the power going to the rear wheels. Keep your engine revolutions per minute within the power band, ensuring you have immediate throttle response when you need it. To begin the drift, turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner while simultaneously applying a quick, firm burst of throttle. As the rear of the car starts to slide, immediately counter-steer in the opposite direction to catch and control the slide. Your throttle input is critical here. Gently modulate it to sustain the drift, adjusting the angle and speed as needed. Practice makes perfect for smooth transitions and consistent control. Remember, safety is paramount when learning to drift. Always practice in a controlled, closed environment far away from public roads or obstacles. Begin with small, gentle slides to get a feel for the car's behavior, then gradually increase the intensity as your confidence and skill grow. Consistent practice is the only way to master drifting. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.